Hello everyone, my name is Naveen. This is lecture about file type in Linux. There are various file types available in Linux operating system. In this operating system, folder or directory can be considered as a file. To identify the file type, we are using ls command. We can list the file with various attributes of ls command. For example, ls-l, ls-ltr, ls-ld. These are commands to identify the file type in Linux. In Linux, there are 7 file types. First one is regular file, second one is directory, third one is character device file, fourth one is local device file, fifth one is local socket file, next one is name pipe file, last one is symbolic link. Hyphen is used for regular file, D used for directory, C used for character, B used for block file, S used for local socket, P used for name pipe, L used for symbolic. In Linux, each and every file type having their particular symbol. In Linux, each file identified by their symbol. So first of all, I will start with regular file type. The regular file type is most common file type found on Linux system. For example, it can be text file, image file, binary file, shared file. It is identified by hyphen symbol. I will take an example. I will take remote my Linux machine. See, this first hyphen indicate the file type. This is normal hyphen. This is regular file. Next one is RW. R stand for, these are permissions. R stand for read, W stand for write, and this is file name. This can be .csv. This is configuration file. So next one is directory. Directory is second most common file type found in Linux. It can be identified by D symbol. So see in example, the file which start with D. This is directory file. Let's see, this is desktop. See in blue color, this is desktop. This is file folder or directory. Now third one is character device file. Character and block device file allow user and program to communicate with hardware peripheral device. It can be identified by C symbol. The file which having information about hardware, that will be character file. Let I will show the example. See, there are various files which are started with C. These are character device files. These having information about hardware, peripheral devices. Now next one is block device file. Block device file are similar to character device file. They are mostly gone hardware as hard drive, memories, etc. It can be identified by B symbol. So I will take an example. See, the file start with B. The SDA. This is my hard disk name. My hard disk type is SATA, so this is stand for SDA. If I'm using PATA hard drive, then it will be IDA. So file will start with B. This is block device file. Now next one is local domain socket file. Local domain socket are used to communication between processes. These are mainly found in logs. It can be identified by S symbol. I will take an example. See, I check the device logs. There file S, that will start with S. This is my socket file. So next one is pipe file. This is also same as socket device files. It allows communication between two local processes, and one process communicate with another process. Then we need to create the name pipe file. It identified by P symbol. Now last one is symbolic link. With symbolic link, we can assign a file or directory multiple identities. It can be identified by L symbol. For example, in Windows, we can create the shortcuts, but in Linux, we can create symbolic link. Symbolic link may be hard link, maybe it can be soft link. I will take an example. I will create a soft link, then I will show you. First of all, I create an directory. Then I will create an soft link. I will create symbolic link of etc password file, and location is root desktop. There is a folder test. Now I will check ls-ltr root desktop test. This file start with L. This is symbolic link. This is shortcut of the file. The file name is original file name is /etc password, and my location is root desktop test. This is all about Linux file type. There are 7 file types in Linux. Thank you.